years ago, we took an area like this that was just sod and we turned it into a vegetable garden without even tilling it. People told us we were crazy and that it didn't work. Let's take a look. Did it work? Two years ago, this was entirely lawn, but then we took a day and we turned it into a cottage garden. First of all, we mowed it down as short as we could get the grass. And then we laid construction paper right on top of that, and then topped that with compost, a good layer of compost, and then a layer of wood chip mulch. We let that sit for a few weeks while watering it, and then we planted directly into the ground. At the 4-month mark, it was already amazing. And this is without tilling and right over that compacted hard sod. By the time we got to September of that first year, it was phenomenal. We were blown away by the results that we could get. You guys, I totally believe that you can grow food wherever you are, whether you're in a little apartment and you have to do it in a pot, or whether you just have sod as a yard. You can grow food, and it's not too late to start right now this year. Take a look at this soil. This is 2 years in, and look at this. It is amazing and black and rich and loose all the way down. It just keeps going. This is way further down than we put compost on the top. This is filled with earthworms and all sorts of beneficials. You guys, you can grow food. You can do it the easy method without tilling. You can do it in the space that you have. Check out this video right here so that you can learn how to do that in a small area, and you can get started right now this year. Don't wait.